Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make canvas at home with cloth. First, gather your materials. You will need a sturdy fabric like cotton duck or linen, wooden stretcher bars, acrylic gesso, a staple gun, and a brush. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and efficient process. A clean, well-ventilated workspace is also crucial for your safety and the quality of your canvas. Next, prepare your fabric. Wash and iron it thoroughly to eliminate any sizing or creases. Then, cut your fabric, ensuring you leave at least 2 inches of overlap on all 4 sides for stretching. Carefully center your fabric over the assembled stretcher bars. Begin stapling the fabric to the back of the bars, pulling it taut as you go. Space your staples about 2 inches apart for even tension. Now it is time to prime your canvas with gesso. Apply a thin, even layer of acrylic gesso across the entire surface using a wide brush. Let this first coat dry completely. This typically takes 1 to 2 hours. Once dry, apply 2 or 3 more coats, sanding lightly with fine grit sandpaper between each application. This creates a smooth, non-absorbent surface perfect for painting. Finally, inspect your canvas for any imperfections or missed areas after the last gesso coat. It is important to let your newly made canvas cure for at least 24 hours before you begin painting on it. This ensures the gesso is fully hardened. Store your finished canvases flat in a dry, dust-free space. For larger pieces, consider adding a second layer of fabric for enhanced durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.